What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to upgrade this crusty Pentium G3250 to an i3. Right, let's get started. Yes, I have already installed it to the socket. Maybe I should. Let's clean this crusty thermal paste and we're gonna back to the job. Right, let's clean up the thermal paste in the heatsink. Alright, give me a second and we're gonna back. Damn it guys, this crusty thermal paste. Right, guys, check out my hands. Right, and this is the CPU itself. I just installed it. And this is my Pentium G32. Gonna take it apart. Autofocus. This is my PC for now. Ordered something to improve it. Alright, let me bring down this PC and we're gonna continue. Alright, this is the CPU, and let's have a closer look. It's covered in dust. Right, where's the thermal paste? Alright. Who else served the thermal paste like this, bro? Alright. Right there, covered in dust. Should I clean it or not? Let me know. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. So stinky. My mom's been using this computer for years now. But let me take the thermal paste out. Squeeze it. Holy smoke. Can't believe I'm gonna do this someday as a kid. Done. We emptied it. Let's close it up. Lock it. This is the pain from the beginning. Take the RAM module. Stuff is here. Take a closer look at the RAM. My mom scolded at me at first when I got this CPU arrive. Damn it. Right, so it's blocking the view. Stick just done. We got the first RAM module installed. Let's try to boot it up. First, let's try to boot it up. See if we have any issues. Alright, there's the VGA. Right, there's just the VGA here. Okay, so I'm gonna be installing the first RAM stick for now, and I'm gonna be installing another one later. Make sure everything doesn't mess up. And the moment of truth. Everything's online. Alright. Guys, I've finally managed it to boot up, and it's configuring my new CPU up there. Alright, and let's sit and wait. There it is. So we got a new upgrade for our PC. Just pretty nice. Let me check the info up there. Verify if I go actually. Let me plug in the mouse. Look back to the job. Oh, come on. 35, I actually got settings here. Alright, Core i3 4130. Let's go, it works. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys later for an all new upgrade.